My name is Summer and this is my network development video post. So I've definitely noticed after reading through this assignment that I absolutely use the self-similarity principle as well as the proximity principle when I'm building relationships at work. For example, the self-similarity principle, I tend to sit with and eat lunch with people closer to my age. I am by far the youngest person in the office, like out of everyone. So I've definitely been leaning towards hanging out with like the 20-somethings rather than like the 40-somethings, just because I feel like we have more to talk about, and it's I feel like they don't see me as a little kid as much as like the other people do. So I've been doing that for sure. And then with the proximity principle, I have noticed now that I am part of a marketing team and I'm not the only marketing person, I definitely spend more time with the marketing team because that's the pod that I sit at, and I talk to them a lot. We have similar skill levels that fit with our job requirements, so I definitely am closer with them just as far as the proximity principle goes. There are a few drawbacks to that. Well, the benefits are that I have a lot of common with the people my age and the people in my department, but the drawbacks are that I don't quite learn as much as I could have. Like if I were, say, hanging out with the developers or the graphic designers, I'd be learning a lot more from them, that maybe I could work on that a little bit. So the high stakes activity I'm actually really excited about. So every lunch we play a board game, and this is something that I just recently started doing with them, and it's so fun. So it's all the developers and graphic designers, so the people that I don't normally get to interact with, we sit down and play a board game. And so it's a really good low stress way to gauge how well we work with other people. I get to know the way people work on a team, because a lot of the games are like teamwork and they require a lot of like strategy and working together. So I think that high stakes activity is going to be a really good way for me to transition my friendly relationships with them into a stronger work relationship, and then I'll be able to comfortably ask questions about graphic design and then develop my own skills. So that's going to be my high stakes activity that I'll be participating in.